Hey guys, Lamborghini is launching their all-terrain supercar, that is Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. The Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato will be the all-terrain supercar. It will be first all-terrain supercar. The engine will be as same as the Hurricane Evo, a 5.2-liter V10 engine producing 640 bhp power, sending straight to the 7-speed automatic rear-drive engine. Major upgrade on the all-terrain supercar will be a pair of LED fog lamps, roof rails, roof-mounted snorkers, and the ground clearance is not revealed, but I can surely say that it is more than a Honda City. It will be the last Lamborghini in the final pure combustion model, and it will be launched on 30th November in Miami. Now let us see the supercar for India, how it will perform in the Indian market. Please like and subscribe my channel.